Hi guys, welcome to Calculus Crush. Today we're going to be taking the derivative of y equals x to the power of x using logarithmic differentiation. It's really the only way to do it, or at least the easiest way to do it. So to begin, we need to take the logarithm of each side of the equation. So ln of y equals ln of x to the power of x. So just to remind you, we haven't taken the derivative yet. We're just going to take the log of both sides, which will make it a little bit easier to write. Now, using one of the properties of logarithms, the logarithm of x to the power of something, you can take that power and put it down in front. So the log of x to the power of x is just x times the log of x. And this is the reason we use logarithmic differentiation on this problem, because now we actually have a product of two functions. We don't have x to the power of another function. We just have a product. Now we can go ahead and take the derivative. So I'm going to do this in two steps. We need to take the derivative of ln y, and we need to take the derivative of x times ln x. So the derivative of ln y, we have to use the chain rule. The derivative of log of something is 1 over something times the derivative of the inside. The inside is y. The derivative of y is just y prime. Now we have to take the derivative of x times ln x. In order to do that, we need to use the product rule, which is the derivative of the first, 1, times the second, ln x, plus the first, x, times the derivative of the second. The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So what we have on the left then is y prime divided by y equals ln x plus x over x is just 1. Solving for y prime, we get y times, now I'm going to switch these around. I'm going to go 1 plus ln x. Just to make sure there's no confusion, are we doing ln x or are we doing ln x plus 1? Now the final step, we know what y is. Y is x to the power of x. So our final answer is x to the power of x times 1 plus ln x. And there you have it. The derivative of x to the power of x is just x to the power of x times 1 plus ln x. We did that using logarithmic differentiation, and we really need to use that anytime we have f of x to the power of g of x. When you see this type of a formula, y equals, you can't just use the power rule. It doesn't work because we have a function up here, not a constant. And the only way to get this into a way you can differentiate is to take the log of both sides, because one of the properties of logarithms is that when there's a power on the inside, you can bring it down to the front. And that gives you the product of two functions. And that's easy to take the derivative. Thanks for watching, you guys. Until next time.